Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Merry Christmas! Hello guys, and welcome to somewhere, Siam. Well, this is Siam Paragon, I believe. We're in like Siam area in Bangkok, and it's Christmas. Yeah, Siam Paragon. Yeah, it's Christmas. We're kind of wandering around Bangkok, trying to find the best Christmas lights, the best Christmas display. So yeah, come with us and let's see what we're.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Yes, Christmas. Christmas lights. Twinkly, twinkly. The smiley faces. There's one there.
Keep smiling.
Yeah, there's quite a few, I guess, lighting displays at like a lot of the malls around. So we're gonna go hunt around, try and find some. Let's see what we can find. Okay guys, so if you didn't know, it's 70 years of the smiley, which is kind of like a bit of a, what would you call it? Like icon, like a icon? 70 years of the smiley face. Yeah, like, well, emojis before emojis, basically. Yeah, I think it started in I thought it was the 70s, but it seems to be the 50s. Interesting. I don't know too much about the history, but I do remember something on Forrest Gump. He puts the mud on his face and then makes a smiley face. Remember that? But yeah, so we're gonna go down here. So this is Paragon. They're kind of celebrating with the smiley faces. We're gonna head down the smiley face tunnel down there. Oh, it's 50 years. 50 years, so that is the 70s. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, cool guys. Well, we're gonna head down this sparkly tunnel. Why don't you come with us? Okay, we're walking down the stairs, but walking through this smiley tunnel. Smiley, sparkly, smiley tunnel.
Hello.
Wow. Okay guys, so that was Siam Paragon. And there's Smiley Christmas Tunnel. Next we're heading to Central World, which is that way somewhere. What will we find there? Yeah, there somewhere. Over. Oh, there. You can see Central World there. There it is. So we're heading that way. Christmas!
Yay!
Okay guys, now we're at Central World. It's kind of more of like a cartoony theme, I think. These guys here are creatures. Are kind of like, well, I know them just from like the WhatsApp kind of emojis. No, I don't think they're even emojis. Stickers. The stickers. These guys. See the back of them, but we'll get around the front. Massive Christmas tree you can see there. Don't know if it's real. It doesn't look real. I don't think it would be real. It's right next to the Apple shop. Wow. And Central World. Wow. And some other things. Wow. Here we are. And whatever that is. Looks like it. Okay, let's go check out this display. Are you rating them? Which is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, everybody's come out to do their own photo shoots and things. A lot of like professional, semi-professional, and I guess not so professional people doing a lot of selfies. Fair enough. Okay guys, I think I know who's winning so far. Gosh, this one's massive, it just keeps going. Going. Oh, I thought those guys were real. They're not real. But yeah, so many things here. So much. There is actually another one over the road there somewhere. But we're still here. Okay guys, and what Christmas wouldn't be complete? What Christmas wouldn't be? What Christmas wouldn't be complete? I think that's right. Without a Botox vial Christmas tree, obviously. Here we go here. Lots of teddy bears there trapped in the Botox vials, as you can see. A bit weird, but okay. Maybe, you know, a bit of plastic surgery for Christmas. It's a gift that keeps on something. Okay, I think we're going to go through the here. Have a walk through. Not sure if we're going to get anything here. We were going to go to another market that was more over in Siam. But we'll walk through, see what it's like. Okay, so as we're walking through the Embracing Happiness Christmas market, some things are closed down. We've got what looks like, I guess, mochi things, juice and gin, I think it was. Mochi, some juice, lots of jewelry, durian for Christmas, Bangkok street food market. So I guess this is more like just the actual market, but Christmasified. Maybe. Not sure. Oh, there's some like cheese, hot dog things. Sushi-ish. And candles. I can smell the candles. Mango sticky rice, 100 baht each. Are you kidding me? Oh. Yeah, loads of food and stuff here. Some reasonable prices, some not so reasonable prices, I would say. But yeah, we'll keep going through. Like those are only 10 baht. That's reasonable, I'd say.
Wow, the prices here are like twice more than.
Well, that's only 10. That's only 10 baht, right? So the mango sticky rice, 100 baht.
Right?
And then I think these are like really cool sushi.
So good.
Sushi something.
I'll try that.
Flies on it though. You know? But yeah, wow. These are epic. So here, loads of stuff. Octopus.
Wow.
Lots of stuff.
Something like that.
Lots of stuff here. Okay guys, so that was the market. That was Central World Christmas display, lights, fantastic cartoon, Christmas tree, Christmas. Went through the market. Yeah, the prices are like at least 3, 4, 5, 10, 100 times more expensive than a normal street market. So yeah, wouldn't recommend it. Food looks good, but yeah, prices, meh. Might as well get like 3 times as much just down the road. So yeah, that's it for Central World. We're gonna now head to a cheaper market, basically. We may go over there to another Christmas display, but we may come back to it as well. Not sure. So yeah, just keep following. Let's see what we're going. I don't know. Let's go.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Okay guys, so I was thinking of going over there to Gaeson Village, but because it was on the list. There's lists of the lights. It doesn't look that I mean, after that, I don't know. I don't know if anything can compare. But even this, with the dolphins here, it's even more amazing. So, yeah, I think we're going to skip that one. But there are a couple more to see. I can't remember where though. But we'll try and find them, guys. Do you know where they are? Maybe let me know down below. I know of at least one more. But probably not as epic as that. It's Siam
Square.
something. Siam something, that's where we're going next, kind of. We're gonna go get some food at the market near Siam Square. Okay, so come with us. Come. Food time. Okay guys, so we're now here at the Retro Wave. I don't know, it's a market. We've been here before. I don't know if we've taken you here before, but that's where we're going for food. There's a market that goes all the way down here, and then it also goes through that way as well. So yeah, we're gonna have a walk through here, see what we can find, see what's around, and then yeah, share it with you. Okay. So it turns out that this is all closed. So it's only a day thing down here. So we're gonna try and get something, and then probably come back here and eat. So yeah, when we get something, we'll let you know what it is. Food. Yum. Okay guys, we got the food, but we're making the walk through the market first.
I just want to say that it's a great place to get some clothes if you want. Like, they're really stylish and fun. I don't particularly want to get more, but like if I wanted, I would definitely come here. Seems quirky and a little bit alternative, so very nice.
Does look all female inclined though, so nothing male associated as yet. Well, I did see some cool ones last time we were here. But yeah, still, you know, some cool stuff there. Monkey pajamas, cool trousers, cool stuff. Oh yeah, there are some. Maybe this is just the women's line, and that's the men's line down there. I think that's what it is. So I'm walking down the wrong line, people. I'm gonna walk down the other line. Let's see. Yeah, some really cool stuff down here actually. Okay. Well, gonna go find some place to sit and eat. And hopefully Asha doesn't get stuck somewhere in the market. Ah, there she is. Well done, you survived. Yes. Okay guys, let's see what we got. I got like a chicken kind of, well, in Bali it's called crispy chicken. It's chicken geprek.
Oh yeah, geprek. Yeah.
It's like chicken kind of with a batter, or like it was almost like cornflakes. And then Asha got
like a Korean style chicken.
Korean style chicken.
Kind of katsu curry outside chicken.
Katsu curry but without the curry. Yeah, but see, this is mine. Mine was only 50 baht. 50 baht, not bad. Asha's was
The same.
50 baht as well. Let's see what we got, what we can taste. Look at it over here.
I think yours is more spicy.
Ooh, really good.
Mine is with lemongrass.
Might not actually be chicken though, mine.
Maybe it's pork. I was
Might be pork. Not sure. It's got like rice here. Tastes slightly minty-ish. A lot of onion, a lot of chili. And either chicken or pork. I don't know. Yours is what? Chicken? How is it?
very yummy. It's a bit sweet, but then has a little bit of onion, lemongrass as well. This is kind of like caramelized sesame seed and like
Chives?
chives. Yeah.
Chives, people, chives. Okay, so we found this place to eat. It's like this little amphitheater. Come past here before, there's been like a show on. Nothing on at the moment, but that's kind of nice. So we can sit, relax, eat our food. Yeah, so we're going to do that. And we'll come back to you.
Yay!
Yay. Okay guys, so it turns out the other like big light displays are actually 1.5 and like 3 kilometers away. So we're going to skip them for now. We may come back because time's getting on. It's almost 10 o'clock. and yeah, we turn into pumpkins soon. So we will revisit this, I think, at a later date.
We had fun.
Yeah, we had some good things. Good things were happening. Good food as well just now. Good company as well. Cool guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. I mean, comment, yeah, what should we be doing in Bangkok? I've been here more times than I can count, but there's always more to see. So, let us know. And, yeah, I guess that's it. So, we'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.